Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to enable foreign transactions for your OnJuno debit card. If you don't have an OnJuno account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up and get $50 bonus after setting up a direct deposit of $250 or more. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Card. At the middle part of this page, you will see several icons. Click on More Options icon. Then an option for Manage Card will appear. Click on Manage Card. Under Manage Card, you will see a section for foreign transactions. Beside it, you will see a toggle switch. Toggle to On. Then a confirmation message will appear at the bottom, saying that the foreign transaction preference is updated successfully. Therefore, you could now make foreign transactions. That's how you enable foreign transactions for your OnJuno debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.